Last year, I see my average monthly about 8 to 10K USD. Hi, my name is Summer. This is my $100,000 story. I start investing in the US stock market right after the Cayden class, which is in December 2023. At very first, I put in 20K SGD into the IBKR. Yeah, I still remember my first sell price I earned $70. I'm very happy on that. Yeah. After that, I click and click. Then first month I earned about more than 1,000. Afterward, then it just grew exponentially. Then after that, I buy another 20K again. Last year, I see my average monthly about 8 to 10K USD. For what I see, the income, I think 80% for the option selling, then 20% is about from the share gain. I know about VIA through a friend, but at that time I didn't join because I still very skeptical to investment, this kind of things. Credit to my two kids because on 2023, during school holiday, my eldest and my daughter told us that, hey daddy, we want to learn investment. I said, investment. So I enrolled for 3 of us. I think they have the kind of thinking like using money to earn money is easy. So I think nowadays the kids are not like my generation. We need to work hard. We don't believe of money, earn money, something like that. Before I attend the class, I always think that investment in shares is just like a gambling. You hope that you buy low, then you go up, then you sell. So after I attend the class, I just know that it's not just the share price. There's a lot of things that you need to know about the company. After I attend the course, I noticed that if we only put money into the saving like FD, which give 2-3% of the interest, we can't beat the inflation. The money becomes less and less value. But if we invest in the correct way, getting back, my target is 20%. Even that more than 10% is much better than the FD. Investing, it opened up my mindset. It opened up the new world to me. Then using the correct way to do the investment is not just seeing the share price, but we have to understand the company, we have to understand the language of the financial. At the same time, I also make a group of friends. It's really quite an amazing journey. For myself, because I have zero knowledge of the financial, so I strongly encourage to learn. I think the best way is learn from the master. So Cayden is a good choice. Then after learn, then you have to practice, then you have to really study, then it should be safe.